Hey guys, so I've just tried out Sora 2. I'll show you how to download Sora 2 videos to your device in seconds, like I have this video right here. Let me show you what it looks like. And it's very easy. So the first thing I want you to do is once you log in to Sora 2, right? You use your prompt, put it in, and this is where your video comes. So if you look at the left-hand panel, you'll see right here it says your profile icon. It shows that. So you click on your profile icon, it takes you to your profile. And the video generated should come under drafts. So here, I'll click on it, and I currently have this one video. I'll see it right here. So you click on this video, okay? And the way you go about downloading it is very easy. So you see right here on the top right, this is your prompt, right? But if you look here, there's these three dots. You click on that, then there's a download button. Click on download, and it will automatically actually start downloading. So as you can see right here, if I open this up, and it is currently playing with the sound and everything. And that is how to download Sora 2 videos. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.